Hey everyone, it's Lisa here again on our Industry Hot Topic segment here on Car Club. And today with me, I've got Aaron from Sux, and we're going to talk about the clutch. How are you today, Aaron?
I'm well, and you, Lisa?
I'm very good, thank you. So Aaron, do you mind just giving me the laydown real quick? What exactly does the clutch do in my car?
Okay, so the primary function of your clutch is to connect and disconnect your engine from your transmission. This will allow the driver to change gears smoothly while the vehicle is in motion and to switch off the engine without turning off the vehicle.
So I see we have a very interesting contraption on the table. Do you mind taking me through what exactly we're looking at?
Definitely. So we've got your flywheel, we've got your clutch disc, and we've got your clutch plate. These components together make up the clutch and controls your engagement and disengagement of the clutch itself.
They all seem pretty standard parts of the system, but I'm sure they differ from car to car.
Yes, we've got the push type clutch, we've got the pull type clutch, and we have the self-adjusting clutch.
So what are the differences between them?
So the push type clutch requires your release bearing to pull onto your diaphragm springs on your pressure plate, which is this here.
Oh, okay.
Your pull type clutch requires your release bearing to pull onto your pressure plate in order to disengage your clutch. The self-adjusting clutch has a built-in mechanism that compensates for the wear on your clutch disc, giving you a soft pedal feel.
Oh, okay. So there's definitely advantages and disadvantages to the different types. Which one do you think is the most convenient one that you'll find in a car?
The push type
is
the common one, yes.
Okay. So you mentioned that this was the flywheel in the clutch system. So the different types, and what exactly do we have on the table?
Yes, you get two different types. You get the dual mass flywheel and you have the solid flywheel. What we have here is a solid flywheel. These are used more in racing applications.
Oh, wow.
Or applications where you are required for higher torque ratios. Right? Then you have the dual mass flywheel, which reduces your engine vibrations and noise, and also enhances your driving comfort.
So chances are in my little car, when I'm not racing on the highway, at least, I probably have a dual mass flywheel.
A dual mass flywheel, correct.
Perfect, okay. How can I exactly find out what type of clutch do I have when it's push or pull? Can I do that myself, or is there someone I need to go to instead?
So you would go to a Volkswagen branch. They will use your VIN number and they will check the clutch for you. Or alternatively, you can take your vehicle to a RMI accredited workshop. They can also assist you in that.
Aaron, you've really helped clear up everything that goes on in this seemingly intricate system. And so I have to thank you for that. You've been an absolute pleasure to have.
Thank you, Lisa. It's good being here.
Perfect. Well, there you have it, everyone. I hope you all see that mysterious third pedal isn't that mysterious after all. It's part of this intricate system where you've got your flywheel, you've got your disc, you've got your pressure plate, and they all play a very important role in keeping your car moving. I hope all these tips today helped you more than enough to keep on driving.